One of the greatest features of the Boss GT-1 is its ability to control parameters of a patch using the control switches. The Boss GT-1 also allows you to add 2 external switches. You can control various parameters by connecting a foot switch. But Boss foot switches obviously come with a decent price tag. I've had the Boss FS6 on my list of music gear to buy, but I just haven't pulled the trigger yet. So I started thinking the other day, I wonder if I could build my own cost-effective version of a FS6. And while I did find a lot of information on the internet, it also got me wondering if I already had a foot switch that I could use. I tried to use my Fender foot switch, but it didn't work with the Boss GT-1. That didn't work because the Fender foot switch is not a momentary type switch. I already own 2 Yamaha FC5 compact sustain pedals and a Hosa YPP-117 1/4" TRS to dual 1/4" TSF stereo breakout cable. So for me, this solution came at no extra cost. I've configured the Boss GT-1 control switches as shown below. I also already owned a Digitech FS3X foot switch, so lucky for me, this solution also came at no cost. I've configured the Boss GT-1 control switches as shown below. One of the bonuses of using the FS3X, it has 3 switches, and all 3 can be used. The far left is Control 2, the middle is Control 3, and the far right is like pressing Control 2 and 3 at the same time. I think this is a very cool feature.